Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Monelle.com, an online fashion boutique that claims to offer a beautiful selection of everything from sweaters to swimwear. It sounds like a dream wardrobe, but let's be honest, the only thing they're really selling is a fantasy. Because nothing says high-end fashion like a brand name that sounds like a keyboard smash. The first red flag is their massive 25th anniversary sale. They boast about 2.5 decades of experience. Yet the domain was only registered in May 2025. Apparently, they've mastered time travel along with garment stitching, because being 25 years old when you were born last Tuesday is quite the achievement. When we looked at the products, things got even weirder. A quick reverse image search revealed that most of their product photos were shamelessly copied from other websites. It's less of a boutique and more of a digital scrapbook of other people's hard work. Then there are the founders, Monelle and Monelle. Their profile picture looks like a standard portrait until you realize it's clearly AI-generated. If they can't even find a real human to stand in front of a camera, you probably shouldn't expect a real human to ship your order. It's hard to trust a family business when the family was created by an algorithm. The website's marketing is the digital equivalent of a used car salesman screaming in your ear. It's a minefield of aggressive tactics, featuring 70% discounts and never-ending countdown clocks shouting about final moments. It's funny how the sale of a lifetime always seems to end in 3 minutes, every single time you refresh the page. As for customer feedback, their own site is full of glowing praise, but the rest of the internet is suspiciously silent. Trustpilot and Reddit have absolutely nothing on them. It's almost as if the only people who love this store are the ones they invented in a Photoshop lab. To wrap this up, Monelle.com is a parade of red flags. Between the fake history, stolen images, AI founders, and pushy sales tactics, this site is about as reliable as a chocolate teapot. Save your money and your sanity by shopping somewhere that actually exists in the real world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay safe and keep your wallets closed when the countdowns start ticking.